We've just looked at how to complete a phone task using the DealerSocket app. Now let's look at email tasks and how they're set up. In the same manner you access the phone task, tap on the email task to open it. Just like the phone task, you should always read the task comments before getting started, and this is especially important with email tasks because they will often tell you which email template you should be using. After reading the comments, tap the email icon to get started. This is what the default email editor looks like on the app. If you were to write an email without using a template, you would still need to add the subject, message, signature, and dealership branding. Using the loaded pre-made templates will take care of all of that with one simple click. So don't send emails from this screen when you can avoid it. Click the template icon to open the menu. This is important. Over 90% of the time, all email templates are found inside the Purchase Inquiry Follow-up category, so look there first. Select the template referenced in the Tasks Comments section, and the template loads with a pre-populated subject title, customer greeting, email body, signature, and dealership branding. Now let's look at how to edit the email message because it's not as straightforward as you might think. To get started, you need to tap inside the email body until you see these dotted rectangles. These represent the areas inside the email that can be edited. Pay attention to this next part. To edit templates and write your own message, you need to click on the farewell verbiage box, like the thanks in this example, to activate it and open your phone's keyboard. To maintain the formatting of the email template, move the cursor to the beginning of the sentence and hit enter not once, but twice like this. Now move the cursor to the very top so it is 2 line breaks above the farewell verbiage. Now you have it in the right position to type your message where it won't interfere with any of the template formatting. When you're done typing your email, tap on close to be taken back to this window where your message now appears highlighted in blue. At this point, have another look at what you wrote and check for spelling and grammar mistakes. Tap Done when you're ready to proceed. The final step is to press Send when you are 100% happy with the email and be taken back to the task screen where you have one more thing to do. Just like it happens on desktop, the app needs help to register that the email task was completed, so you need to tap on the status and choose Completed from the options. Once the task screen looks like this, you can rest assured that the task is completed. Please note that work notes are not mandatory for email tasks both on the app or desktop, as DealerSocket will automatically log a copy of each email you send. Selecting the My Day icon shows that the task no longer appears on your list, and you can proceed to work on the other open tasks.